Good morning. Welcome to Manufacturing Minute. We're very excited today to speak to Superior Roll Forming, a Welser company located in Valley City. We have Bill Johnson and Tasha Wright with us. Welcome. Thanks so much for being here.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Thank you.
So, Bill, why don't you tell us what Superior Roll Forming does?
And so Superior Roll Forming is a leading metal manufacturer of roll form products, primarily in the North American automotive industries. We primarily focus on making products for truck and truck frames. So if you drive a Ford F-250 or 350, thank you very much. Keep up the support. Also for second and third row seating structures. So if you have a SUV or any kind of vehicle that has a second and third row seat, more than likely products from this plant are in your car.
How cool is that? Now, I'm too short to own an F-150 because I can't get out.
250, 250, you got to jump.
Or the 250, yeah, the dismount is really awkward. So, but at least we can point them out. Yeah, well,
very good.
So when somebody comes to your plant, what would surprise them?
I think it would surprise them that there's a market leader in automotive here in Valley City, specifically in those strategic niches. I would think that they would be surprised to know that Superior Roll Forming is owned by a company in Europe that's a market leader and 356-year-old company. Wow. So they started in 1664, and they've been in steel the entire time, steel and steel products. So to know there's a legacy in Europe, that you're part of a much bigger organization, supported accordingly, and a market leader like that in Valley City is probably something they would not typically know when they walk in our door.
That's very cool. And that kind of history really does give you such a foundation. I mean, when you go there, you can tell there's real thought behind things, and it's just great. So what kinds of people are you looking to hire?
I think from my perspective, like Bill said, individuals who are really interested in manufacturing and working for a growing organization here in the area, who are really motivated and desire to help grow manufacturing here in Valley City. So we're looking for people who are committed and are looking for something long-term that they can stay with us and grow here.
Awesome. So I'm going to throw another question at you that we didn't prep, but that's okay.
Bring it on.
Tell a little bit about your culture, because I think that's important when we're talking about who you're going to hire.
Sure. So I'll start. I'm sure Bill will add as well. So our current culture is defined as TRAIT, and that stands for transparency, respect, accountability, integrity, and teamwork. Those are our 5 values that we are trying to work through every day here. And so I believe that we are living those out, together. And so that's what I would say. Bill, what do you think?
Yeah, absolutely. If you want to be a part of a company that values those that kind of culture, which there's a lot of companies people can work for, but if you want to work for a family-owned company that values those attributes, then we could be or should be the right company to go and work for. It's something that we live and breathe every day. So yeah, absolutely.
I believe we in our office have described your culture by those words before we knew that was a thing. So
yeah.
Great,
so you guys
thank you.
Really do live it, and we love that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, thank you both so much for being with us here on Manufacturing Minute. Happy Manufacturing Month. I hope you get a chance to celebrate, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.
Thanks, Kathy.
Thank you, Kathy.